Welcome to Quick Particulars. This video comprehends some pro tips for investing in stock markets for the beginners. Come join us in this journey to make you a smart investor. Investing for beginners can seem like a daunting task, but it is important to start early and learn as much as possible to make informed decisions. Here are some key points to keep in mind when investing for the first time. 1. Determine your investment goals. Before you start investing, you need to determine your investment goals. Are you investing for long-term growth or short-term gains? Do you want to invest in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds? Understanding your goals will help you choose the right investment options. 2. Understand risk tolerance. Risk tolerance refers to the amount of risk you are willing to take with your investments. Generally, younger people can afford to take more risks with their investments, while older people may want to be more conservative. Make sure you understand your risk tolerance before investing. 3. Start with a small amount. It is always a good idea to start small when investing for the first time. This will help you learn about the process without putting too much money at risk. 4. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to minimizing risk in your portfolio. This means investing in a variety of different assets, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, to spread out your risk. 5. Research potential investments. Before investing, it is important to do your research. This means researching the company or fund you are interested in, as well as its historical performance. 6. Use a reputable broker. If you are new to investing, it is important to work with a reputable broker. A broker can help you navigate the investment process and provide guidance on investment options. 7. Monitor your investments. It is important to monitor your investments regularly to ensure they are performing as expected. This will help you make informed decisions about when to buy or sell. 8. Stay disciplined. Investing requires discipline and patience. Don't let emotions or short-term market fluctuations guide your investment decisions. Stick to your investment plan and remain disciplined in your approach. Investing for beginners can be a rewarding experience if done correctly. By understanding your goals, risk tolerance, and the investment process, you can make informed decisions and build a diversified portfolio that will help you reach your financial goals. Thanks for watching.